I'm currently going through a lot of stuff, and I was going through a lot of stuff, and my emotions got in my way with my first challenge, right? And pretty much I was just all over the place. I was not following my rules. You are setting yourself up for failure because you can't accept the fact that you are holding yourself back. I'm gonna expose my writing, but y'all can see like I have my tasks here, what I'm grateful for, and the notes of the current day, right? It don't work like that, bro. You gotta water yourself from within to grow and to sprout from the outside. I'm a regular dude, bro. Trust me, there's no luck and plan on that, bro. It's just hard work and dedication. Look at all this shit, bro. That's just nice. That's some breakfast. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Today is Saturday. I pretty much don't have anything planned for today just because it's a slow day. Saturday, I just pretty much take it as a day of reflection, a day of preparing myself for the weekday, right? And honestly, I've been very frustrated, bro, because I wanted to create like a task planner for you guys, and I wanted to create some other stuff. I ended up doing the Discord. If y'all want to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below. But if that link don't work, y'all can use the one on my community tabs. It should be up there. But yeah, bro, I've been working on my Discord. I've been working on my task planner because I think I mentioned in a previous video that I was going to take a screenshot on my goals for November, right? Today is the last day of November. It's November 30th. And I really wanted to show you guys that if you set a plan, if you have a vision, you can fulfill that plan and that vision by taking action, bro. Trust me, I set myself to have these high expectations. I set these standards for myself because I know I'm capable of doing that. Because as long as I have a plan, as long as I have a goal, I'm going to do everything in my power to accomplish those goals, bro. To accomplish what I set up for myself, because at the end of the day, it's me versus me, bro. The only person that is going to reach my goals, the only person that is going to do the things for me, it's going to be me, bro. The only person that is going to elevate me to the next level is myself, right? I had set a goal to reach 160 subscribers, right? By the end of November. I think on November 17th, which was my birthday, I was already at 120 subscribers, I want to say. I don't remember clearly. But before the month of November ended, I had surpassed my expectations. We're currently sitting at 183 subscribers, which I think by tonight we're going to reach 190, bro. I'm 100% sure. And the only thing I didn't accomplish on my goal list was my passing my funded, but I was not even going to, I'm not trying to make no excuses, but I was not even planning on starting my funded until December, right? Because like y'all saw on the previous fund that I had, that I blew that account. I'm currently going through a lot of stuff, and I was going through a lot of stuff, and my emotions got in my way with my first challenge, right? And pretty much I was just all over the place. I was not following my rules. And the only reason why I started my combine again was because I got rebuild. So I was like, you know what, if I don't take advantage of that shit, I'm still gonna get rebuild again next month, so might as well just start it. And we started off pretty good, bro. Pretty good. The first day we had $150 win. After that, we had 2 great days of $1,000 each. Then we did have a big L, but we bounced back with the $500 win on Wednesday. And yeah, we didn't trade Thursday or Friday just because, I mean, the holiday, and I mean, although I didn't really want to trade on Friday because I knew the market was gonna do some bullshit, and I mean, it ended up doing some bullshit. But that's the only thing. I don't want to justify myself, but at the same time, like, I was not expecting to take on that challenge by November. So I want to say it's part of November and December, but tomorrow I'm going to set up my goals for December. Like I told you guys, I'm all over the place right now because I'm also moving. I got a lot of shit going on right now. I want to set up a lot of things for you guys. The community is growing, the channel is growing, my Instagram is growing as well. If y'all haven't followed me on Instagram, y'all should check it out. Links down below. But pretty much everything is heading in the right direction, you know? And it's just a matter of me setting my goals, me setting my expectations, and me putting every single ounce of effort into it, bro. You guys can do it too. I'm no different than no one. I'm no special than no one. I'm not going out of my way to record these amazing videos. It's things that I'm doing throughout my day. It's things that I would have done even though if I wasn't recording myself, you know? It's just me taking y'all on this journey of my growth, of my self-development. I'm just taking y'all with me on this ride, bro. And we're just growing as individuals. And pretty much I'm just documenting my growth, bro, because like I tell you guys, I go over my days every single night. I rewatch my videos. I'm my #1 fan, bro, trust. And I annotate every single thing that I do right and that I do wrong. I just want to become the best version of myself. But like y'all saw in yesterday's video, like sometimes adversity gets the best out of me. Sometimes we have those dark days, but it's just a matter of putting in the work, bro. Like I want to show y'all everything, bro. November 5th, I was at 54 subscribers. I'm currently at 183, bro. In 25 days, I grew so much. Why am I going to stop? Why? I'm not doing nothing out of my ordinary routine, bro. And I'm going to be creating better content. Like I told you guys since I first started my channel, that at first it's going to be grimy. At first it's going to be shameful because I'm very self-aware, right? But throughout time, throughout the days, throughout the weeks, my content is only going to get better, bro. My content is only going to elevate. Like as y'all seen, my equipment got better. My MacBook made my whole exporting of my videos way better. My resolution, my videos are coming out in 4K just because the simple upgrade that I took, right? Now imagine when I upgrade my camera, my microphones, when I have my new apartment, when I have my setup, when I have my everything set up, bro. Trust me, everything is going to get even better. I'm gonna have a better background because some of y'all don't like this background, but hey, we working with what we got, bro, and it takes time to grow. Trust me, it's going to get better, bro. Trust me, at the end of the day, as long as I keep showing up, as long as I keep giving it my all, nothing is going to stop me, bro. It's just me versus me. That's one thing you guys gotta understand. Like, if you set goals for yourself, right, the only person that isn't fulfilling those goals is you, because you set those goals because you know your potential. Understand that shit, bro. I know my fucking potential, and I know what limits me from reaching that potential. It's me. It's my old habits. It's the habits that I still gotta get rid of. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes I overdo myself. Sometimes I exert on every single level, but sometimes my old habits come back. It's a constant battle every day. Besides the problems that I have around me, it's constant battles with me. It's constant battles that I have within me, bro. It's something that you gotta understand, that I'm not no fucking Superman. Everybody that you see online, it's no different than you, bro. Nobody is Superman. Everybody that knows what it takes is going to keep showing up because they know that the reward is better, bro. The reward is 10 times more better than what you're going through, bro. Trust me, like it says in the Bible, you're not going to reach the kingdom of heaven by living a life full of sin. You gotta go through a lot of hardships. You gotta go through a lot of bad stuff in order to be rewarded with the eternal reward of life. Trust me, nothing that is good is going to be easy. Nothing that is deserving of, nothing that is going to be great is going to be handed to you, bro. Trust me, you gotta go through all these trials and tribulations, not just because you feel like you deserve more, you're gonna have it. No, trust me, you gotta go through this adversity. You gotta go through these pains and struggles. Trust me, it's been demoralizing to me sometimes when some of my videos don't perform as well as they have to do, because I believe in myself, bro. Trust me, I believe every single video that I uploaded should have at least over 1,000 views. Why? Because it's me. I'm putting in this work. I know the value that I'm giving you guys, right? But sometimes it doesn't work in my favor, and it's okay. You don't have to let yourself drop down just because things are not going in your favor. In the end, the reward is bigger, bro. You just gotta keep showing up. The world is gonna reward you. God is going to reward you because you're being consistent. Consistency, determination, accountability is the key to your success, bro. Trust me. If I am not accountable, if I am not consistent, I wouldn't have had this growth, bro. Trust me, if I wasn't posting every fucking day, and it's hard, bro. Trust me, it's fucking hard to post every day because I still got my job. I'm still a dad, bro. Trust me. I'm still going through a lot of shit personally, mentally, physically. I'm tired every day. My body hurts every day. I don't want to do the push-ups. Sometimes I don't want to record. My head be hurting. I don't want to edit, but it's part of the process, bro. And I have to do it when I don't want to, because those are the moments that determine if you're really meant for this shit, bro. If you want to procrastinate and do other shit and then come back to your craft and you're whining to the world that why are you in the same spot, and the only thing that's holding you back from your success is you, bro. Trust me, you're the only person, you're the only one that knows what you need to give up, what you need to sacrifice in order to be great. You're the only one that knows what's holding you back. You can't lie to yourself. If you really want to grow, if you really want to become something great, if you really want to become a man of value, if you really want to be a role model, if you really want to change the world and change yourself, you gotta accept your fucking flaws, bro. You gotta understand that everything falls on you. If something's not going your way, if your work is not showing, if you are not growing as an individual, it's because you are setting yourself up for failure, because you can't accept the fact that you are holding yourself back. Trust me, it's hard, it's difficult to accept that, but that's the first step. And to becoming the greater version of yourself, you gotta accept that you are your only limitation. You gotta accept that the only thing that's holding you back, it's you and your fucking fear. You gotta keep on growing, bro. You gotta keep on letting go of those emotions, because don't let your emotions dictate your life, bro. Trust me, I said this countless of times. Most of y'all might be here for the trading, but I try to base my channel on self-development and growth, bro, because it's part of trading, bro. If you want to become a successful trader, you gotta have that mentality. You gotta have that mindset, bro. It's not just about going in the charts and doing whatever you think it's gonna happen and you get lucky. No, it's about discipline, bro. Because what happens when you lose $1,000, $2,000, when you blow your accounts? It's part of discipline. It's part of that mindset. You gotta have that psychology. You gotta have that aspect on your mental. You gotta have that mental aspect, bro. Because if you don't have your mental control, if you can't understand that it's your fucking fault, if you want to blame the market, if you want to blame your broker, whatever you want to do, right? It all falls down to you because you click buy or sell, right? Relating it to trading, right? For those of you who are here for the trading aspect, like, however you live your life, it applies to everything that you do, bro. When I used to play basketball, like, I used to blame myself for everything, because who was the one putting in the work? It was me, bro. It was me showing up every single day, putting in countless hours, countless reps. Same thing with me now as a grown man. It's like, I instill these habits in me. I'm the one that has to wake up early. When I was late at work and anything went bad in life, it's like, I'm not doing the things that I'm supposed to stay on track, you know? It all falls down on you, and you gotta accept that. And once you discover that and unlock that part of your brain, and you really, really tell yourself that it's you, you give yourself that power to change your life. Because I think I heard Alex Hormozy, I don't know how to say his name, bro, but I think I heard him say, like, wherever you point the blame finger is to who you give power. So if you point it to your spouse, if you point it to your parents, if you point it to somebody else, you give them the power over you. But once you start pointing that blame finger to yourself, that's when you give yourself the power. That's when you know, like, okay, if it falls down on me, I'm the one that can change it. It's all a matter of perspective, brother. Trust me, it's all a matter of perspective. You just gotta grow out of your little shell and understand that the world is bigger than you. But at the same time, you can change the world if you can change yourself from within. Trust me, the outside doesn't matter if the inside is all fucked up, bro. It don't work like that, bro. You gotta water yourself from within to grow and to sprout from the outside. It's all a matter of decision. It's just taking the harder decision, bro. It's just being a man. It's just being a man. Just be a man. Just take the hard decisions. Keep fighting in life. Do it for yourself, because nobody's gonna do it. I said this countless of times, but I mean, it's the reality, bro. I'll leave you guys on that. Tomorrow I'll do a better, more in-depth video. I've been very busy today, bro. I've been very, very frustrated because I really wanted to set up that new daily planner, that task planner for you guys. I want to put you guys on that. I really want to show y'all what really got me to where I am, bro. Because there's no luck in me growing my channel so quick. There's no luck in me reaching 100,000 views combined in my Instagram and my YouTube in 2 months, bro. I'm a regular dude, bro. Trust me, there's no luck implied on that, bro. It's just hard work and dedication. It's just me showing up every day. And for those of you who've been following me for a while, y'all know that I keep showing up every day, that I reap what I preach, bro. Trust me, it's not just me saying it just because. No, bro. Whatever you put out to the world's gonna bring back to you. But on that note, I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. And like I always say, keep watering your own garden, boys. I love y'all. See y'all boys tomorrow. And yeah, I hope tomorrow we're at 190. And let's start December off great.